Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City in front of the beautiful, equally beautiful Borgata Hotel and Casino. I stayed here last night, had a great comfortable stay. It's almost noon now. We're gonna head inside and see what's going on inside the hotel and casino. Do a little tour. I'll check out both pools. Come along with me. Let's see what's going on inside the Borgata Hotel and Casino, shall we? Borgata is celebrating their 20th anniversary this year, my how time flies, and they're celebrating by giving away a beautiful Cadillac. This place is owned by VC Properties and operated by MGM Resorts International. The casino hotel features almost 2,800 rooms and is the largest hotel in New Jersey. Borgata opened in July 2003 and is the top grossing casino in Atlantic City. Here we have the lobby bar, which is right next to, well, the lobby, and right next to the lobby bar is the living room, which is the elevator lobby for the Borgata Tower. There are two towers here at the Borgata. The other one used to be called the Water Club. It's now called the MGM Tower. Let's check out the retail piazza here at the Borgata. This is the Borgata collection, kind of like a gift shop on steroids. The stuff here is very expensive, but it's also quite unique. This is the Long Bar. I had a fantastic glass of wine in here years ago, and I haven't been in since. Gotta return. And here we have Izakaya by Michael Scholson. Izakaya is considered the premier Japanese restaurant destination in Atlantic City. This is the new Old Homestead Steakhouse. It was completely redone last year. Everything is brand new. It looks fantastic. This is the Gypsy Bar, an eclectic tequila bar where you can find live music and a large array of, you guessed it, tequila. And here we have the Metropolitan, which elevates casual dining at the Borgata, meaning you don't have to sacrifice flavor for convenience. I've eaten here, the video's available here on the New York channel. Most people around here just call it the Metro. And coming up next is the buffet here at the Borgata. I've been there lots of times, but well, you guys know that. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. This is Vintage, a new wine shop here at the Borgata. You guys know I love my wine, and this seems to be a fad lately. The first one to open up a wine shop I think was Ocean Casino Resort, then Hard Rock, now Borgata. Who's next? Great idea. This is Angeline, James Beard award-winning chef Michael Simon's ode to classic Italian food. The signature dish here is lasagna. I had it, it was okay. I'm gonna go back and try something else. This is B Prime Steakhouse, a modern and chic alternative to the classic steakhouse, and I guess they're referring to their old Homestead Steakhouse. Two steakhouses here at the Borgata. And I should correct myself, the Tropicana has had a wine shop since I believe they opened years ago, so I guess they were the first. Here's the MGM Sportsbook, and on the other side we're going to pass a race book. This way out to the Borgata Beer Garden and Outdoor Pool. The outdoor pool is seasonal, not open during the winter time obviously, but they do have an indoor pool open all year round. We'll check that one out as well. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Remember, click on that thanks button, get a shout out on an upcoming video. Speaking of which, a shout out to Dan Kraft, known around here as Real Unc D, who left a very generous super thanks on my latest Las Vegas video, The Palms Hotel and Casino. Thank you, Dan, for all you do for the New York channel, including creating and maintaining that New York Facebook fan page. There's a link in the description below, anyone who wants to check it out. Thanks again, Dan. Let's go downstairs and check out the Food Hall Eatery here at the Borgata. Kind of like a food court. Hold on tight. Here we have Atlantic City's biggest poker room. There are two others, one at Harrah's and one at the Tropicana. This is American Bar and Grill. I just had a nice wood-fired pizza here, their 20th anniversary edition pizza with a nice glass of wine and a great salad. That video is available here on the New York channel. Here we have Premier Nightclub, which provides a sophisticated night out like no other in Atlantic City. If you don't feel like going downstairs for some fast food, check out Bread and Butter. Very casual, right off the casino floor. Open 24/7 except on Tuesday. They have some weird hours on Tuesday, so keep that in mind. Noodles of the World had some great lo mein here if you want to check that video out. If you're planning a trip to Atlantic City, Las Vegas, or planning a cruise, check out all the playlists here on the New York channel. They'll definitely help you out when you're making plans. Let's check out the shops, lobby, and pool area of the newly rebranded MGM Tower, formerly the Water Tower, here at the Borgata. Hey guys, I'm starting a new channel. If you haven't heard in the past couple days, I don't know how you couldn't have heard. I'm doing a lot of self-promotion on it. It's called Jersey Jeff Eats, and it's got well over 80 subscribers already. It's only been open a few days, and there's no content, so I'm really happy you guys are subscribing. I shouldn't say there's no content. There's no content uploaded yet on the channel. I'm recording videos right now, working on the intro and the outro and all the things involved with opening up a new channel. So I'm going to visit a lot of restaurants, casual restaurants, fast food restaurants, eat in the car, eat outdoors, eat inside. Lots of places New Jersey is famous for, so make sure you subscribe to that channel. I'll leave a link in the description below. I will be uploading videos to it, I'm gonna say in about 2 or 3 weeks, so stay tuned, subscribe now. You can also click on the link I'm putting up right here in the upper right hand corner to subscribe to the new Jersey Jeff Eats channel. So we checked out the outdoor pool and beer garden here at the Borgata, and we just checked out the indoor pool at the MGM Tower. Now we're going to head through the Borgata Casino and up to, I believe it's the 6th floor, to check out the indoor pool and spa here at the Borgata Tower. Off in the distance there is the Golden Nugget Hotel and Casino right on the marina.
my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.